In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ADP Workforce Now employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in adp.com/logins and press enter. You will now be taken into the user logins page for ADP. Now from this page, just click on all logins and now you will find the employee login option. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be taken into the login portal for employees. Just type in your user ID within the user ID box that you have set up while creating your account and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password within the password box and then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your ADP Workforce Now employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the instructions underneath the sign in button that you can follow in order to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your ADP employee portal. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.